And it is a
1.2.
1200 cc car. 65 bhp.
And what is the difference in your other variant with the dicky on?
Sir, this is a top end variant. Indica Vista. In this variant you will get power steering, AC with register, all 4 doors, power windows, company fitted stereo system with all 4 speakers, rear defogger, rear wiper, front fog lamps, all features you will get in this. This is a top end variant, fully loaded. And there are two variants more.
No, this variant is good enough.
This variant is good enough and it is good for you also. This is the top end variant. Fully loaded.
What about the other one?
Other one is the middle top variant. In that variant you will get some less features, such as you will get power steering, AC with heater, front fog lamps, rear defogger, key central locking system, and front 2 doors power windows. That's it.
Only 2 power
front 2 doors power windows.
There is no other variant in that. 4 windows का नहीं है.
Option is of 4 windows. Front 2 doors are company fitted, and if you want to take another 2 power windows, you will take that power windows by paying charges. Rear doors power windows.
But why not? Why have they done this? I mean, this gentleman should be able to explain it. If you are giving a car with a dicky, it should be fully loaded. Why not?
Okay, yeah. It should be, at least there should be one more version where you should have all the power windows.
Because you are competing with most of those cars which have all these features.
Right.
And I would prefer an Indian car to be fully loaded rather than...
Exactly. I'll definitely take this feedback back.
This is important because otherwise I'm interested in Tata doing well. One failure people had noticed initially was that
volume. Come kar dena volume.
That it was virtually an incomplete car in the sense that initially it caused a lot of problems. There were problems with tire, with your wheel balancing and all that. Initially. Subsequently it was improved. Now you are coming out with a virtually a half-cooked variant.
Okay.
I mean, should be fully loaded if you are providing a luxury car.
Right.
In your own terms.
Right.
I agree with you. You should provide it. But it doesn't mean that you should be half-baked in that also.
Okay.
Sir, you are absolutely correct, but the thing is that Tata is making some small cars and for the public, मतलब अगर देखा जाए, अगर आप आजकल में नीड्स इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ गई हैं एंड चेंजेस इतने ज़्यादा हो गए हैं, हमेशा कोई ना कोई
हमेशा की बात जैसे आपने एयर बैग्स नहीं दिए. I have no objection to that. Air bag, nobody survives because
nobody survives.
An accident, if it takes place, it is a fatality. But at the same time, you should provide things which are normally helpful to the customer.
Yeah.
In the sense that you are providing 2 power windows only, and in a car which is bracketed at a higher level, as far as you are concerned. They should be there.
See, because that variant is the middle top variant. That is not a top end variant.
But why not top variant? Why have not?
This is a top end variant.
No, what I am saying is that in the same category. This is not indigo category. This is without a dicky. So if you are providing something superior to this model with a dicky, not in the same bracket, then the top of variant should have all those features. It's as simple as that.
But that variant has some less rate, less than other than top end variant. That is also an issue.
That is an issue, but earlier also your car was cheaper than all the variants of it. Isn't it? So, if you are trying to compete with the same sedans and the same model, in the same range.
So the great competitor of this car is Swift.
You will compete with Swift here and gets there, I mean, with Hyundai, and there are so many other cars also now that you may compete.
And this Fiat Punto. Fiat Punto is not so much spacious other than Indica.
This is one of the most spacious cars.
Most spacious car
in that variant. I agree.
And you will get some more luxurious fabric upholstery in this car. You will feel, sir, much more comfortable in this car because of fabric upholstery and
all that is there. But my complaint is that what about the bigger car? a person who wants to graduate from this car would graduate to a bigger car.
Right.
So you will go for Indigo CS, then you will get some limited edition also. इन्होंने एक लॉन्च और किया लिमिटेड एडिशन.
उसमें क्या है?
उसमें कुछ एक्स्ट्रा फीचर दे दिए सच एज वुडन फिनिश लुक दे दिया अंदर का, प्लस हाइड्रोलिक सीट्स दे दी हैं. आप सीट ड्राइवर साइड एंड को ड्राइवर साइड को ऊपर नीचे एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं, आगे पीछे एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं बाय इलेक्ट्रिकली ऑपरेटेड सिस्टम. So these are the major advantages of that car limited edition. And in the side mirror also you will get the indicator system also. Indicators are in headlights, in side and in side mirrors also.
ठीक है, that is all right. But again the same like you know.
That is a फिर luxurious.
ये थोड़ा सा half baked मुझे लग रहा है. I'm sorry. I've gone in for a Nano. I admired it when I saw it for the first time. I would have gone in for an Indica, but then we had so many better models available then, and people suggested that it is initially you shouldn't go. You can take it after some time once it has proved its roadworthiness. You are just trying to confirm what others say about you. Nothing else.
No. Sir, at this time, presently at this time, Indica Vista is in boom. Indica, it is much more in demand. Because
For
of
taxi.
some...
For taxi.
No. It is not recommended for taxi. It is only recommended for personal and private use. Indica is recommended for taxi. It is not recommended for taxi.
This one is not. This one will not
This
go.
one comes in private and personal use only.
This will come. I agree with you. There I agree with you.
And this is a luxurious car, fabric upholstery and all the things which will matter in this car.
No, but I have my Gets also has the same features. All the features are common.
But if you want to take comparison with Gets, then you will find that key it is much more special than Gets also.
Maybe. What about your spare parts? Are they cheaper?
Spare parts are cheaper more than Hyundai parts अगर आप Gets से comparison कर रहे हैं. And for your confirmation, I want to say that.
What about Swift? What about Maruti?
Maruti also. It is after Maruti. Tata has our second service largest network in all over India.
Correct. What about parts? Because
parts easily available in all over India. In Lucknow also
at the
easily
same
available.
price?
At the same price. Same price, cheaper price.
Cheaper.
I know. I heard about the Hyundai parts. Hyundai parts are much more costly.
I know that. That's what I pointed out to you. That Hyundai, with all the same features, I am interested in another car because of Hyundai parts. And then they will stop production.
And the drawback is of service center also. Service center is not so much.
Service center तो हमारे घर के करीब ही है.
नहीं आपके घर के करीब है लेकिन not so much.
No, maybe for some other people.
आइए.
Other,
ये अंदर लगा दे क्या?